All right, today, guess what? It's day 7, 8, and 9 of our 21-day challenge. We have 7 steps. We're going to do it 3 times around, so let's get going. Optional weights. Start with a walk. Pressing down on the mat. Good form. Engage the core. Relax those shoulders. Soften the knees. Let's go. You can stretch a little bit before you come on, or you can stretch afterwards. Let's go. Left and right. Pushing down on the mat. These are 2-pound weights. Usually I do 1-pound lace-ups. Occasionally I will do 3 pounds. All right, that was your first step. Second, you're gonna jump over. So you're gonna go side to side. Ready? Get the feet first. Then you can swing your arms like this. I hear water in my stomach. Hope you are staying hydrated. It's been so hot here in South Florida. Jump over now. Jump higher. Double. Pick up your feet. You're gonna feel it. Back to single. Good. Number 3, toe taps or ponies. Get the feet first. Tap, tap. And let's pick it up. Add the weights. You're going to push forward. Burning some calories today. Flush out those toxins. Good. Toe taps or ponies. Hamstring curls or hamstring kickback, like this. If you want, let's get the feet first. And if you want to add the arms, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Good. Heart rate is coming up, isn't it? Shake side to side. That was the 4th step. All right. Let's go to knees up. Knees up. Bounce. Knee. You can do bicep curls with this. Squeeze that bicep. Now, let's do corners. Whoops. Wait a minute. Shake side to side. We got to do the corners. Working on the obliques. The waist. All right, that was number 5. It's hot in here again today, so I am breathing heavy. Whew. Good. Next one. You know the jumping jacks, but this time we're going to do the cross jack. Cross, left and right. If you can nose breathe, try that. Cross your arms, alternating. Many of us, including me, are shallow breathers. You got to learn to breathe better. Okay, we're flushing out the lymph nodes today, getting those toxins out, any inflammation in our body. Let's go. Good. Those are your cross jacks. Next, we're going to ski. Push the hips out. Okay? Push the hips out. Or you can do your arms this way too, like you're holding on to the poles. I've never skied before. I water skied. I've never snow skied though. All right, those are your 7 steps. You are going to repeat the steps, all 7 of them, 3 times. But today, that's all we're doing. I just wanted to show you those steps. Set these down. Get a drink of water because I got a bonus for you. We're going to sit on the trampoline. All right. And we're going to do a seated bounce. Keep your feet on the floor and just bounce. Really engage the core though. You do not want to hurt your back. Seated bounce. This really gets the heart rate up. Circle the arms back like this. And then you're going to raise your arms up. Push to the sky. How you doing? That's it for today. Let me turn this off and thank you for joining. And as always, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and comment below if you are taking this challenge with me. I'd love to hear from you. All right, thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.